Stickman videos look simple, but creating a full one means making dozens of decisions. The idea, hook, script, character design, around 50 scenes, visual variety, voiceover, and editing. If you build everything manually, it can take days or even weeks. Today, we are turning that process into a reusable Stickman Video Engine designed to help you create a complete video in around 1 hour. This is the upgraded second version of my Stickman video, with improved prompts, new scene types, and a stronger focus on viewer retention. First, we will use NotebookLM to study successful Stickman videos, generate original title ideas, and write a monetization-safe script. Then, we will turn that script into a complete visual plan with a character Bible, image prompts, and motion instructions for every scene. The key upgrade in this version is the use of 3 different scene types, which adds more visual variety and helps keep viewers engaged. Next, we will generate one consistent Stickman character, create the scenes, and turn the images into simple animated clips. Finally, we will assemble everything with a simple edit. At the end, I'll show you the final video so you can judge for yourself what this engine can create. If you want new AI systems, workflows, and tools that make faceless content creation faster and easier, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Okay, let's get started. Open NotebookLM, create a project, and click Add Sources. I'm using NoSense because it is a strong Stickman reference channel. Open Videos, filter by popular, and paste its top 5 video URLs into NotebookLM. Once all 5 appear, open Settings, choose Chat, then Custom. Paste the Stickman title and script engine role prompt. It is designed for this format and includes originality rules to avoid copying source titles, topics, examples, wording, or structures. The full prompt is in the description. Now type, "Create 5 original title ideas for my next Stickman video." That short instruction is enough, because the role prompt already contains the detailed requirements. NotebookLM gives 5 options, with the mechanics, fresh angle, viewer promise, visual metaphor, and originality check for each one. I'm selecting Idea 2, the psychology of people who can't stop preparing for life. Before writing, we need factual sources for the selected topic. Go to the search box in the left panel and enter productive procrastination. For your own video, search for the keyword that best supports your selected title. Run the search and review the 10 results. Check the titles and summaries to make sure they support your selected topic. In this case, the results cover procrastination, perfectionism, avoidance, fear of failure, planning, and action. Since all 10 are relevant, select them and click Import. Wait until every source finishes loading, then confirm they appear beside the 5 reference videos. The videos guide packaging and storytelling. The web sources support the psychology and practical advice. Now type, "I have selected title idea 2. Write a 900-word YouTube script." Again, the message stays simple because the role prompt controls the output. Scroll through the script. Let me show you one citation. When you hover over it, NotebookLM shows which imported source supports that section. Now we have an original, structured, source-backed script ready for the visual engine. Open ChatGPT and paste the Stickman Visual System prompt. This prompt converts the finished script into a visual plan, so we do not have to decide what scenes should look like during editing. Return to NotebookLM, copy the script, paste it at the end of the prompt, and hit Send. The prompt is in the description. The result is divided into 3 parts. Part 1 is the character Bible. Our main character is a black-line stickman wearing a small teal wristband. This becomes the visual consistency anchor throughout the video. You can replace it with any identifying feature you prefer by changing that section of the visual system prompt. In the end of Part 1, we have the complete reference image prompt to generate the character. Part 2 is the visual grammar. This controls how often each visual type appears. In this version, 55% of the scenes use character action, 25% use visual metaphors, and 20% use text or diagram resets. You can change these percentages inside the master prompt. The important thing is creating variation instead of showing the same stickman in every scene. Part 3 is the scene table. Every row contains the voiceover for that moment, the scene type, a complete image prompt, and one motion or editing instruction. The script is now a complete production map. We know what to generate, when to use the character, where to add visual metaphors, and how each scene should move. For this demonstration, I'll create and assemble the first 5 scenes, then show you the final result. Open Google Flow, create a new project, and choose Image Generation. Paste the complete reference image prompt from the Character Bible and generate the main character. Return to the visual plan in ChatGPT and copy the exact character name. In this plan, it is Stickman-01. Go back to Flow and rename the generated character with that exact name. This matters because the visual plan uses Stickman-01 in every prompt. Click the plus icon in the Flow chat box and attach the character image we just generated. This tells Flow which character should appear and helps preserve the same proportions, line style, wristband, and visual identity. Return to the visual plan in ChatGPT and copy the image prompt for scene 1. Before pasting it into Flow, notice that the prompt uses the exact same character name, Stickman-01. This links the prompt to the attached character reference. Paste it into Flow and generate the first scene. While scene 1 is generating, continue with scenes 2 through 5. For each scene, attach the same character reference, copy the relevant prompt from the visual plan, paste it into Flow, and start the generation. This allows us to keep working instead of waiting for each result to finish. As a reminder, I'm creating only the first 5 scenes for this demonstration. To build the complete video, continue the same process for every remaining scene in the visual plan. Scene 4 is a visual metaphor, and Scene 5 is a text reset, so Stickman-01 should not appear in the final compositions. However, I still attach the character image as a style reference. This helps Flow maintain the same black line work, off-white background, teal accent, and illustration style. The scene prompt still controls the final composition. Now let me open all 5 scenes one by one. Compare the character proportions, line thickness, background, accent color, and overall visual language. Although the compositions are different, they clearly feel like parts of the same video. Next, switch to video mode using the engine selector in Flow. For each scene, attach the relevant image, copy its motion instruction from the visual plan, paste it into Flow, and generate the animated version. Creating these 5 scenes took me around 5 minutes, so producing a complete 50-scene video should take roughly 1 hour. Now all 5 scenes are animated and ready. Hover over the thumbnails to review the motion, then download each clip one by one before moving to the editing stage. Before making the final edit and showing you the final video, a quick note. If you want a structured, actionable version of what you're learning in this video, check out my guide, the Faceless YouTube Engine. It turns the entire process into a clear step-by-step system with practical homeworks to help you apply each stage to your own channel. You can also bundle it with the Video Engine Vault, which includes all the engines featured across this channel in a written, organized, and easy-to-follow format. It's perfect for faceless creators who want proven workflows they can reuse instead of starting from scratch every time. You'll find the link in the description. Let's continue with editing. I'll use CapCut for editing, but you can use any editor you prefer and still follow along because the edit will be very simple. For the voiceover, open Google AI Studio. On the right panel, I've selected a bright, higher-pitched voice with a slightly energetic delivery. This style works well with simple, fast-moving stickman visuals. Copy the voiceover for the first 5 scenes from the visual plan, paste it into Google AI Studio, and generate the audio. Listen briefly to make sure the pacing and pronunciation sound right, then download the file. Next, open the audio library inside YouTube Studio. This is a very good source for background music you can use in your videos. Filter for a light ambient track with a happy mood, or choose a genre and mood that better fit your video. Listen to a few options, select one that supports the narration without becoming distracting, and download it. Now open CapCut again and place the voiceover on the timeline first. Import the 5 Stickman scenes and use the visual plan to match each one with the relevant voiceover line. If a scene is slightly too short, reduce its speed so it remains on screen long enough. That is completely fine for this style because subtle slowdowns usually look natural in simple Stickman animation. The clips generated in Flow may include sound, but we do not need it here. Lower the volume of every scene to 0. Add the music track and reduce its volume until it sits quietly behind the voiceover. I am not adding transitions. These scenes are intentionally simple, and transitions could disturb that simplicity. Do one final check and export the video. Let me play the finished clip.
You tell yourself you are being responsible, disciplined, and thorough. After all, you aren't watching television or scrolling social media. You are in your room with a highlighted textbook, color-coded calendar, and organized spreadsheet of goals. You feel busy and productive. But the project that actually matters, the difficult document, high-stakes proposal, or creative design with a blank page, hasn't been touched. Your logical mind says you only need to prepare a little more before you are ready to begin the real work. But you are lying to yourself. You aren't preparing for life. You are hiding from it, behind convincing activity.
If you want the next video engine built for a specific format, comment "Continue" along with your niche. History, kids' stories, business, relationships, documentaries. Tell me what you want next. Before you go, this workflow can be adapted to much more than the format you just watched. Click the video on your screen to see how I use the same system for a completely different niche. It's a great example of how flexible this engine can be. See you there.